Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are talking about things you should really be bringing with you to Canada's Wonderland. So the first thing on the list is going to be a belt bag. Now you can get these from a variety of online retailers. Mine is from Fabletics. It cost about $50 US, which is a little pricier than most, but it has lasted me for many years with zero wear and tear. Not to mention, it is deceivingly spacious. In here I'm able to fit all my essentials for a day at the park. Sunglasses, Gravol just in case, your trusty trademark red bandana, a folding portable fan, and this is just a really good tool to have on you on those hot summer days. Right now it's on sale on Amazon for only $19.99, and you can just put that right around your neck, hit that power button, and feel that cool breeze all around you. And on those hot summer days, you're going to want to bring a small tube of sunscreen, unless of course you want to pay top dollar for it at the park. Another nifty tool that I always take with me is this little gizmo. So the cool thing about this is it's actually a multi-tool, so it is a personal pocket fan, but it's also a USB power bank as well as a flashlight. And this handy gadget is going for only $19.99 on Amazon right now. And as I mentioned, this Fabletics Belt Bag is deceivingly spacious. There is a whole compartment on the back where you can store stuff like travel-sized Kleenex. And I always like to keep a small bottle of hand sanitizer in there as well. And one of the most essential items that I cannot recommend enough is a collapsible cup. And there are many different ones to choose from. I bought this on Amazon for $13.99, which came with 2 collapsible cups. And this is great to have on hand because you can access ice cold water and sparkling water for free at these Coca-Cola refresh stations. And another great reason to bring a belt bag or a fanny pack is that you can bring these types of bags on every single ride with the exception of Alpenfury without having to use a cubby, a storage bin, or a locker. A pair of pants or shorts with zippered pockets will allow you to safely take any loose articles on the ride with you. Another good one to bring with you is a flexible summer or cowboy hat. These things are very malleable. This will not just help with sun exposure, but they fit easily into even the smallest of cubbies. This hat in particular I got off of Amazon for $32. And last but certainly not least is a glasses strap. If you wear glasses, get one of these, it will change your life. So I got my strap on Amazon for $14.99, and you can get these straps in a variety of different colors, so whatever matches your vibe. Now keep in mind there are a couple of rides that won't allow you to bring your glasses on unless they have a strap, one of which being Skyhawk and the other being the newly opened Alpenfury. So there you have it. Those are all the essentials that I would recommend bringing with you for a day at Canada's Wonderland. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay in the loop. And as always, thanks for watching.